Hey guys, this is Tattoo Tony, and today I am going to review the Tasco 8 megapixel trail camera with low glow infrared LED light. That low glow light sure does illuminate quite brightly. Here's some footage in the early evening from about maybe 5:30, where it's not quite all the way dark yet, but it's pretty dark. The video quality is not that great on this camera. It does not record audio. It either takes photographs or it takes video. You can set it to take like 5-second video, 15-second video, 30-second video, and you can also set the intervals. It gets triggered by motion and goes off and starts recording video, and you can set the intervals to like 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 15 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, but there's several settings, at least 3, and it is pretty easy to use. I was kind of worried when I first went to set it up that it was, going to be tricky because it has a very simplistic, like just a couple buttons and a couple switches on it, and it doesn't really have that great of LCD screen. It's very simplistic. Doesn't have a viewer on it, but for $28 at Walmart or $23 online, it works, and you can have a lot of fun with it. I set it up in the backyard and threw some corn out because I had seen some deer earlier in the year eating at my apple tree. Here's some daytime video. You can really see how poor the image quality is during the day. I think there's something about low quality cameras though picking up infrared light well. The trigger does get sent off by movement if the apple tree gets blown, or there was like some snow coming down the other night, and it did take a lot of videos of the snow falling. I showed that on the intro of the video, but it's pretty easy to use. Once you use the instruction manual and you set up the date and time the first time, you pretty well remember how to use it. I've been going out there and checking it, and I haven't needed to look at the instruction manual again. It also takes photographs, and I did not include any in this video. I thought that perhaps it would take higher quality if I was just taking photographs, but that was not the case. It did not increase the quality at all. I've had it out there in all kinds of weather for about a week, and I guess it still works, and the lens does not seem to have a problem fogging so far, anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not going to start making review videos and showing you wildlife photographs. I'm going to show you old abandoned buildings and cemeteries like I always have, but I just wanted to have a little fun with this since I set it up and took the video and post it so that I could I guess look at it, and maybe somebody out there that's thinking about buying one of these cheap $23, $28 cameras can see what the results are. It does give you the date and the time and military time, and that's pretty cool. You can also, if you have multiple cameras, name the cameras so you can sort it out. So please like, subscribe, and if you didn't like this video, that's okay, I understand. Please stick around though and check out the videos coming up.